The Supremo and Delhi Chief Minister, who is out on conditional bail as has been granted by the top court in that crucial hearing this morning. Remember, this is a conditional bail where Arvind Kejriwal will not be able to go to the CM office or sign any files. However, the Aam Aadmi Party terms it a big victory, vindication for Arvind Kejriwal and the entire party as he walks out of jail. I want to cut back to Riyanka, who's been on the ground tracking every single moment. Over to you, Riyanka.
That's right, Suesha. Arvind Kejriwal has in fact walked out of the jail, as we rightly mentioned earlier, that he was walking out of gate number 3, where all the Karyakartas and all the leaders were present, and Kejriwal has of course addressed the people who have been present there to welcome him despite this massive rainfall that is happening in the national capital. The Aam Aadmi Party Karyakartas were all present there outside Tihar jail, gate number 3, to welcome Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, he is walking out of the jail after 6 months, and this was in terms of the CBI case in the angle for the excise policy. Remember, earlier he was granted bail by in the ED case as well, but today in the CBI case he has also gotten released, although it is a conditional.
Right. Riyanka, do stay on with us. Soumya also joins us live. Let's quickly also bring her in to get a sense of what's transpiring on the ground. Over to you, Soumya.
Yes, Suesha, right now I'm standing outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. As you can see the visuals behind me, people have started gathering outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence as he just walks out of Tihar jail. So it is going to take some time for him to reach his residence. However, people, local people and AAP party workers have already gathered outside his residence. They are in full celebration mode. Preparations are in full swing to welcome Arvind Kejriwal as he walks out of jail after 6 months. You can see there are dolls playing out there. People have also burst crackers. They're still bursting crackers here. Remember, the Delhi government has banned firecrackers until January next year to avoid air pollution. However, they're still burning crackers. Now we talk about people who are in attendance here other than the local people and the AAP party workers. We just got the visuals of Raghav Chadha entering Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Other than that, Delhi MCD Mayor Shelly Oberoi has also arrived. She has also entered Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and AAP MLA Madan Lal is also here waiting to welcome Arvind Kejriwal. What we as for the itinerary that we got for Arvind Kejriwal, he'll be you can see people have gathered here. They are bursting crackers. They are still bursting crackers. I'll request my VJ to show you around. It's raining heavily out here. Still people are dancing and bursting crackers on the dole tunes. They are still dancing. So it's raining heavily, yet people have gathered here to welcome Arvind Kejriwal. Back to you.
All right, Riyanka also, who's with us on the broadcast, as both Soumya and Riyanka show us the pictures and the celebration that is on Arvind Kejriwal walking out of jail. Riyanka.
That's right, Suesha. You know, as the earlier information we had gotten that Kejriwal would walk out of gate number 4, which is why I was standing at gate number 4. But Kejriwal walked out of gate number 3, where all the Karyakartas are present, where he in fact met with all his colleagues as well as his family members. He also spoke to the people who had come in to welcome him. Despite this heavy rain, there are indeed celebrations that are taking place right outside gate number 3 of the Tihar, and as well outside his residence. People, the Aam Aadmi Party Karyakartas as well as the leaders such like Bhagwant Mann also were present. Sanjay Singh also present outside the Tihar premise, and there was a wait for a very, very long time for Kejriwal to walk out. Remember, it is indeed a moment of joy because after 6 months Kejriwal is walking out of the Tihar, and of course he's gotten this conditional bail where it seems that although he is
it is a victory for the Aam Aadmi Party, but his challenges does not end, given that he will not be able to function or do much about the chief ministerial post that he holds, as he cannot sign several official papers. He cannot visit his office and the Delhi Secretariat. So quite a challenge for Kejriwal at that front, given these conditions that have been laid by the Supreme Court granting him bail. He can also not make any statements in terms of the merit of this very case, the excise policy case, and he has to cooperate with the trial court. And also his passport remains to be with the court, and he cannot go overseas. So several conditions that continue to be applicable for Kejriwal. But yes, there is a moment of joy, moment of celebration for Kejriwal, be it outside the outside the Tihar jail or outside his residence.
Yes, absolutely, Riyanka. The Aam Aadmi Party leaving no stone unturned to make this an unforgettable moment. And fact is that they have been fighting all this while for the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo to be freed from jail. But of course, 6 months that Arvind Kejriwal was lodged, and he's finally out on bail. As much as the BJP continues to reiterate that this in no way means that he is innocent, and the fact that he must resign as the Chief Minister of Delhi. We also understand that this is a conditional bail that has been granted to the Delhi Chief Minister, wherein he will not be able to go to the CM office or sign any files. What exactly will be the next step of the party of Arvind Kejriwal? How are they possibly going to get things back on track is now the big question, Riyanka.
Right, Suesha, given, as I said, that it is a challenge for the Aam Aadmi Party as well as Arvind Kejriwal, that there are conditions regarding his role as the Chief Minister of the National Capital, which has been also being targeted by the BJP. There were, of course, war of words that continued, with the BJP constantly asking for resignation of Arvind Kejriwal as the Chief Minister of Delhi. Although in his conditions, he cannot perform much for his position as the Chief Minister, given that he will not be able to go to his office in the Delhi Secretariat. Rather, he will not be also be permitted to sign official files. On that note, it is quite a challenge for Arvind Kejriwal, but given the fact that the elections in Haryana are around the corner, it is indeed a boost